Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this logo animation that you see on the screen right now. And once again, we'll start out on the edit page. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, do Fusion Comp. You name it if you want, but you don't have to. And we'll put this one on 20 seconds. I'm going to stretch it out so it's easier for me. And go to Fusion. Get a background. Turn the alpha all the way down. Pick two merges. Select the second merge. Get in ellipse. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands or arms. That's why it's up there in the way. And right click on the width. We're going to make an expression so they stay symmetrical. Right now, the width and height and that couple together. So to keep it symmetrical, we'll do the expression. So right click on the width, expression, add the pick width and the plus sign, you go over the height and let go. We're only using this for a template. Set on 0.3. Oh. Highlight all these. Select the merge. Go to center, right click, path. You'd think you'd be able to just draw your polyline right off the bat, but you can't. I'm going to use the X to take it straight over to the left. Something like that. Then you have to select this tool here to make a polyline. This point is where your polyline is going to start. If you click anywhere else, it's going to direct it right back to this point. You guys will see in a minute why I'm using that ellipse for a pattern. Let's select this modify only tool. That helps you prevent from making any points that you don't want. And out of them all, hit the smooth button. Want to adjust a couple of them. And we'll get the first logo. Plug it in the green input to merge. This we don't need anymore. Select the merge. Take the size up to 0.35. Yours may be different. Both my logos are 500 by 500. So that's subject, whatever you have. Go to modifier. Delete B keyframe. Right click on the displacement. Modify width. And curves. One full with the merge selected. Shift space and duplicate. Already have it in there. And put 15 copies. Then right click on the time offset. Modify width. And curves. Go to modifier. On the curve shape. Go to custom. Click on this one. You want 0.25 in this box here. And you have 1.0. Click the second one up here. Now we want 0.75. I want. Now this is just the amount and the amount of time it takes for those to self duplication, how many there is, basically spread apart. Right now we're right here. When these are fully open, we'll be up here. Now, at this point, we're here. And now we're here. Highlight both these two, right click on one, copy, click away, and paste. Plug the background into the yellow input. You have to do the merge, first tube. I highlight both of them, they're right on top of each other. Select this one, add a transform. I'll highlight them again, select the transform. We'll flip vertical. Now you'll see both those follow that mask that we use the ellipse for, and we'll flip it horizontal. Now we'll get our other logo. Again, plug it in the green input. And if you look close right now, that logo is upside down. Select the merge and flip it vertical. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.